When you think, my brothers and my sisters, of the massacre that is taking place in Palestine, then remember what Fir'aun done. Pharaoh, the man who butchered, the man who massacred, the one who killed thousands of children, so that Musa alayhi salatu wasalam would not arrive. And in the end, not only did he arrive, but he was raised in the house of the one who sought to kill him. He was raised in the house of the one who sought to kill him. Right? This is what's happening to our brothers and sisters. But yet we think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may have forsaken them. As I was preparing this lecture, my brothers and my sisters, the whole Syrian thing happened, right? And I thanked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala greatly. You know why? Because sometimes we go through hardships and we tell people to be patient, but sometimes they want something a little bit more. Look at everything that the Syrians went through until Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had freed them from the tyrannical ruler at that time. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, after such long time, He saved them. And I thought to myself, how timely is this? Imagine how the Palestinians were feeling, right? Imagine perhaps they felt that there is no light at the end of the tunnel. They felt, when is the help of Allah Azza wa Jal going to come? But then they see their neighbors who were saved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? Remember, my brothers and my sisters, the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is above the will of all. Wallahu ghalibun ala amri. And Allah Azza wa Jal has full power and control over His affairs. But most of them know not. My brothers and my sisters, wallahi, thumma billahi, thumma tallahi, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give victory in the end for the Muslims after everything they go through. And remember, and I'm going to finish with this, that there was once upon a time you used to make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for something that you so badly wanted. And today you are living that dua that you used to make.